Okay, so this is a direct proportion question, right, involving the percentage change of y. Right, so we have two quantities x cubed and y are in direct proportion. So the first part of the sentence is very important because this helps us form the equation. So find the percentage increase in y when x is doubled. Okay, so I will show you the first method. The first method will not involve too much algebra. The second method will involve a fair bit of algebra. Okay, so the first method is, okay, always form your equation. So we know that x cubed and y are in direct proportion, right? So I try to put y equal to k x cubed. Alright, so this is my equation. Next, I sub in numbers because we are not given numbers in this particular question. So we try to sub in numbers to help us see better. Okay, so maybe I use a very simple number. Okay, so I let y equal to 1. Okay, I also let x equal to 1. You can submit any numbers, but you must be consistent. Later you need to use back the number. Right, so submit your number. So let's put 1 equal to k x cubed, right? So 1 cube. Okay, next, find your k. So this one is easy. Your k is simply 1. Okay, next, then we look at the last sentence already. Find the percentage increase of y, right, when x is being doubled. So if you look at your x right here, is equal to 1, right? X equal to 1. So what do I mean by doubled? Doubled means is equal to 2 because 1 times 2 is doubled, right? Okay, so now I doubled. So x now is equal to 2. So what will be my y now? Okay, so we put back the equation that we find in the first step. So y is equal to k x cubed, right? So x cubed, now x is equal to 2 already, right? So you simply just sub in 2 cubed. 2 cubed is equal to 8, right? Where k is a constant. Your constant will never change, remember that. So your k is just equal to 1. Okay, so if you calculate, your y now is y, it is 8. Okay, so from initial we have 1, right? Now it become 8. So now they say, what is the percentage increase in y? So this one, let's recap your Z1 topic. So that one is called a percentage change, right? Okay, so how do I calculate my percentage change? Okay, so it's something like a fraction then times 100%. So I want to calculate the percentage increase of y, right? So the denominator right here must always be the original number of your y, the original y. Okay, so where the original y is just equal to 1 that I have set, right? Original y. Okay, the top, the numerator is just the final minus initial. So what is the final? Final y, final value of y minus initial y. Okay, then you do the working, then you multiply by 100%. So for the numerator right here, the final y is just 8. Okay, then the initial y is what we set, right here, 1. Okay, you can set any number but of course you must be consistent, right? So initial is 1. Then after that, what is your original y? Your original y is just 1, right? Because this is your original. Okay, original y. Okay, then you multiply by 100%. So if you multiply correctly, 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 over 1 multiply by 100%. So it's a percentage increase of about 700%. Okay, so this is how you do this type of question.